guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, yes, we are here finally back for another video. It has been forever. No, we will not be doing a big speech. Life's just been lifing. On a side note, did y'all know these came in cans? Oh, this is lit. Just so y'all don't think it's like alcohol or. So if you can't tell by the title of this video, we will be attempting to do a V-part wig. Last time you saw me or didn't see me, I had this much hair at school. Obviously it has grown to a bob. It's a little uneven because I cut it myself. I got one bad haircut in 2019 and I just haven't gone back. So we're waiting for this to even out and then we're gonna bob it. But for today, I'm gonna tell you why I've been trying to install this wig since I bought it back in April. I put it on. This was the first night it came. I put it on how I thought you would put on a wig. It looked cute. The next day, because I took it off, because I had to wash my hair and then like re-braid it down, do an actual good braid down. It was given very boop, shaboop. The layers was not layering, it wasn't blending, it was not cooperating. I don't know if I was tripping, but the colors just they were real different. Maybe the wig was just too new. So I washed it, I let it sit, I let it marinate. I had to gather my thoughts. This is the wig, the little cute V part. I'm gonna tell you what I feel went wrong the first time I tried to install this. One, they said it could be done in a side part style because I don't wear my hair ever in middle. I don't have the forehead, I don't have the jawline, it doesn't support my face. So I got it specifically because they said you could do side part styles. When I did it in the side part, no matter how much hair I left, the back of this was baggy. And it's weird because it's as tight as it goes, but still baggy. Like I'm dead about to double knot this. And then no matter where I put the combs, it felt awkward. So we're gonna attempt to do the side style again. Also, I don't think this was a V, it's actually a U part. And maybe that was my mistake. But anyway, let's get to getting. You have to see me struggle, honestly, you might. Okay, and we're back. As you can see, I left the little U part. I always feel like it sits weird. And then I left a little bit on the side and on this side, because that's how I always see people do. And if you're wondering why my thing is like bulky, I have the baggy problem. My thought is if I don't do my braids so small, because my hair's not that thick, maybe it'll fill it up a little bit. So, like I said, fingers crossed. I ain't tossing this wig around like she owe me money. Side. Got this little U part from UNICE, who I have wigs from. I wanted to try this because one, it's a more natural shade. I always get the colors because I just don't want to bleach my hair anymore. Now, this is where it's going to lose me because it's gonna fit odd. I know it is. Maybe I just, ow. First of all, no. That's the part that pissed me off. Right. Maybe I'm putting it on wrong already. I don't know how tight it's supposed to be. It's already feeling way too loose. And it always feels like it's too far back. And this front part right here is so freaking hard to blend out because it's just stiff. I'm gonna readjust that side comb so it's, ma'am, I hate it already. But we're gonna keep going for the sake of it. And y'all gonna tell me I'm crazy. No, I'm not. I may be misinformed, but I ain't crazy. 1. And 2. Okay. 2. Ho. Oh, the comb. Hair got caught in the comb. Damn it, it felt secure too. Okay. My only quarrel with a lot of UNICE's hair, it kind of sheds. And you could be like, oh, you're just not being gentle. Maybe. Or maybe it's just shredding. Okay. Let me look in the mirror real quick. Hair. Can you see it? How's it look from the back? I feel like it's bald as hell right here. Right there. Okay, this is what we're working with so far. I'm about to straighten it, see if I can blend it, and we're gonna go from there. Change the angle so you can see me. Also, I feel like my issue, if I had a wig just like this, no leave out, I feel like it would have ate. Okay, we're just gonna throw you in a pony. It's the motherfucking ends. Like, how do y'all get y'all ends to blend like that? And this the part. You see this thick ass track? What? I just have a thin hairline. You like, just set it back further. How much further? This shit's smoking. Y'all gonna be like, damn girl. Oh, this is chapped as a mother. That's not about in it. Anyway, let's chat while I burn my freaking hair off. How have y'all been? How have you been? I go on a cruise soon, so you're gonna get videos for that. That's the main reason I wanted to start back my videos. Cause imagine I'm disappearing. I disappeared for like however long I did, which was like months. And I pop back up and I'm just like, hey guys, I'm going on a cruise. While that would have been a very funny introduction back into my life, man, I work a full-time job. And I'm trying to save for like my car. Cause that's when y'all really gonna get content. When I get this car, man, I'm gonna be out and about. I'm talking about outside. Why is this turning out way better than I thought it was? Maybe I just need to stop overthinking. It's gonna be like I did with the first time, and it goes good the first time, and then when I try to touch it up to go out in public, it's not gonna cooperate. I'm gonna look a hot ass mess, and everyone's gonna be like, who the fuck did your hair? And it's gonna be like, what? I did. We could tell. We could tell. Y'all, the outfits are so cute. I got some sandals from Fashion Nova. They're like the Lizzie McGuire platform ones. And I feel like I've completed a part of my life that I've always wanted. Because I've always wanted them. Y'all hear that? What's going on? I want to get into so many things, so many shenanigans. I'm trying to shenanigan my way into my dream life. Now that we have that, I'll do my edges real quick. Y'all, I got this edge control in a random wig box. I'm positive it was Love Me Hair that sent me that. Girl, edge control, crazy. Now I have 3B, like 3B, 3A. Y'all go see my hair and go, girl, no you don't. I do. I've gotten good. I used to not even touch my edges because I was so nervous they would look crazy. And this is the part that starts pissing me off. Maybe I just need to cut closer layers. Am I just tripping? Was I just having a bad wig month? On top of cars, on top of cars, shake it on top of cars. Okay, so this is the results. Move lamp. And I want y'all to be honest. Would you say this is a good blend? Because I get close and it, y'all are gonna say cut layers in it. I want to. But other people don't have to cut layers in theirs and they be wearing it straight. Like that little bit. I just need hairspray. This is not a bad review. I don't think I know what I'm doing. See, no, I'm not tripping. That's it for this video. It wasn't much of a video. It was just you watching me kind of fail. And it was just an introduction to my face again. I would say if you like this video, give it a like and subscribe, but I don't like this video. I don't like how it turned out. I still don't like it. I still feel like it looks weird. Matter of fact, I chose green because I'm wearing a green shirt. But that will be all for this video. Like I said, I don't know if it's a fail. It's not a success in my eyes, but I know what I will be doing. Seeing you next week. If you didn't know, I changed my upload days from Friday to Sunday because it's not working with my work schedule. So I will see you Sundays now.